Greetings! Welcome back. It's been a long time. Can you believe this snow? I went sledding. It was so much fun. I hope you got to get out a little bit in it. Okay, so open-ended response. I wanted to talk today a little bit about the very first sentence of your open-ended response. It always needs to answer the question. So in the example of the text about the Chinese immigrants building the railroad, here are 3 suggestions. The first suggestion is simply to answer the question. The question states, how were the Chinese immigrants treated? So the very first way of doing that would simply be to state, Chinese immigrants were treated, and then you fill in the blank. That's the most straightforward way of doing it, and that's fine. You at least need that. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you could also think, who treated the Chinese immigrants poorly? And you can look back in the text and say, oh, employers of the Central Pacific treated Chinese immigrants, fill in the blank. So you can answer the question with employers of the Central Pacific treated Chinese immigrants, fill in the blank. Another way of doing it would be to talk about when this happened. So in this case, you might start your paragraph by writing, during the building of the Transcontinental Railroad, Chinese immigrants were treated, fill in the blank. Notice that this one and this one are indeed similar. Here you answer the question and only the question, the bare bones. Here you add a little bit more information. In this case, you add information about when this happened, okay? So those are 3 examples of how you might start an open-ended response by directly and immediately answering the question. Thanks.